My name is Dr. Rodriguez. I'm a science professor. On the iSTEAM channel, we will discuss different topics of general interest about these fields and how they're interrelated. In today's episode, we will discuss lab safety. If you're working or attending a lab, all students must know and comply with laboratory safety rules. Always wear protective coats in the lab, like this one. Wear safety goggles that are ANSI Z87 approved when performing activities that involve hazardous material or chemicals.
Wear closed-toe shoes, no flip-flops or sandals allowed in the lab. Note the location of the safety eye wash and shower station.
The fire extinguisher, fire blanket, first aid kit, waste container, broken glass container, and emergency gas shutoff in the lab. Do not bring food or drinks into the lab or working area. Secure long hair, loose clothing, and jewelry for your personal safety. Properly dispose of waste material as directed by your instructor. Inform your instructor, parent, or guardian if you're working from home immediately about any spills, accidents, or damaged equipment. Smoking is prohibited in the lab. Do not enter the lab area without the supervision of an instructor or parent or guardian if you're working at home. Use a disinfectant solution to clean the lab working area before and after completion of your lab exercise. And wash your hands with soap and warm water before leaving the laboratory. I hope this presentation was insightful. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed learning about STEAM. Please also share this channel with someone you think can benefit from it or will enjoy this presentation and the iSTEAM channel. Hope to see you soon.